we have leftover spots. To fill up this leftover spots, we have to cut the cork. But before that, we have to measure it. It's 11 centimeter. Now, let's cut the cork. After you measure, you draw the line. Now, use a knife to cut the cork. Be careful, cut it multiple times. After you finish cutting the cork, use the scissors to cut the mosses. We do this step because moss stick to the one side. So to make it even, use the scissors and cut the mosses. Now we finished it. We finished cutting the cork base panel. Just like before, we're going to use the both side tape to attach it in the wall. It's finished.